Alright, today we're going to work on a series of paintings on tornadoes. So there's a big tornado that kind of hit the area in Dayton. Kind of funny in that The Simpsons covered a tornado in Dayton. People put that up as kind of funny. But yeah, I want to cover the tornadoes from all over the states, and this will be our series on tornadoes. Alright, let's run through the color. Quinn blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, dial-a-ride yellow, raw sienna, primary yellow, Van Dyke brown, burnt umber, pearly red, Quinn red, titanium white, Mars black. Let's get the party started. Alright, we got our initial layer down. This is straight, but in the photo it's more rounded, so I kind of have to round that out to make it look believable. Otherwise it just looks like it's perfectly aligned with the road, which is possible, but it doesn't really look realistic. So I have to fix that. Fix this kind of cloud layer here. Doesn't really mesh well. It kind of looks like the photo, but not exactly, but I think it's due to the lack of roundness in here. So I'll add that. The horizon's fine. Maybe this has to be a little lighter, same here. It's good that there's a transition here, that it's lighter on the horizon, but it should be fairly close in color. Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So it has this kind of nice storm clouds on top of the tornado, which is really interesting because it has kind of probably the sun right behind the tornado, so it's really highlighting that tornado. At the same time, you have the dark clouds kind of blocking out the clear sky that's just coming through in the bottom. I like how it turned out. I think maybe my green is a little bit too happy green. I think before probably the darker green was probably more correct. I could change that. The other thing I kind of don't like is how the road lines up and the tornado's just off to the side. I mean, that's how it is in the photo, but it would make more sense to move that tornado over so it just, goes right into the horizon line. This way it's kind of a little bit bothersome on the eye. I mean, it's a tornado, so right? No one expects it to be like follow the 2/3 rule and all that, but it would probably make more sense to adjust that in the painting, maybe adjust the road over or something. It does have a nice feel. I think out of my 4, this one I'd like not the most because it doesn't have such a dark to has a lot of lights, but it doesn't have really dark. I mean, I could add that probably to make more drama, but it didn't seem as dramatic as the other 4 tornadoes. It's still a pretty badass tornado, but out of my paintings, I kind of like this probably not as much, but hopefully someone will. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.